For its part, the most important beauty pageant in the world, the Miss Universe in its 73rd edition, is just 3.5 months away from officially starting in style and crowning a new universal queen who will be the successor, by the Nicaraguan Xenis Palacios Cornejo. By 2024, there will be approximately 130 girls who will arrive in the North American country, specifically in Mexico City, to fight for the crown of this important beauty pageant. Now, after analyzing each of their previous appearances, videos of their performance on the catwalk and oratory, of the 39 candidates who have been elected until this Monday, July 8th, in addition to taking into account what this new organization is looking for, Top VZLA presents you our top 20 of the month of July, heading to the final night of Miss Universe 2024. We start the count with 20, Albania, Francesca Rustem. To talk about this stunning Albanian is to highlight her bearing, appearance and good projection, since she has been standing out since her appointment as Albania's representative in Miss Universe, and we are sure she will steal the spotlight. She has to play with the looks and tone down her sensuality a little to hit the right spot and shine as it should. 19. Netherlands, Faith Landman. This European was one of the last to be elected so far, but without a doubt she is already one of the big favourites prior to the competition. She has everything to stand out and carry her land high, and the woman has poise, runway and oratory. She is a candidate to be feared and who clearly still has a lot to polish. 18. Chile, Emilia Dides. A queen in every sense of the word is this spectacular Chilean who has been betting this year on her wonderful gift of the word. Many consider it a great card since it has been growing and has evolved strongly. Another Latina who can leave big favourites behind her and get into it until the last moments, flies with this beauty. 17. Argentina, Magali Benajam. The Argentine is a tremendous candidate and her greatest impact is undoubtedly her image. A good queen who has shown versatility, work and preparation during the months she has held the national title. It is clear that she has to continue polishing things and taking care of what her two predecessors lacked, because she can give us a great surprise. 16. Montenegro, Rumana Iaj. This beautiful blonde has been one of the pleasant surprises heading into the contest, as she shows that with good preparation and disposition, the goal can be achieved. She always looks impeccable, confident and divine in her appearances. Another girl who can surprise us in Mexico City. Watch out for Montenegro. 15. China, Jia Qi. Another Asian that we really liked is the beautiful representative of the Chinese, and she has always kept up to date, elegantly regal and standing out in her own light with her wonderful appearance. A fresh girl and worthy of having a place in the top of the final night. 14. Bolivia, Juliana Barrientos. One of the South Americans to beat is this exotic and spectacular woman who has had our eyes on her in recent days. A striking girl since her coronation as Miss Universe Bolivia 2024 and who denotes poise, elegance and thirst for triumph. Let's hope the national organization prepares her as she should, because the woman is spectacular. And 13. Bonaire, Ruby Pouchet. Many do not have her in their top 20, but this Caribbean woman manages to steal her attention and demonstrates her good preparation on the catwalk and public speaking. Full of attitude and personality, the Bonaire native could be fighting in the final as long as she arrives with everything and stands out beyond her beauty. Divine. 12. France, Indira Ampiot. Elegance, poise and class are some of the words that describe this beautiful French woman who has been preparing with everything in search of one more classification for her country after 2 consecutive editions being left out of the top. She is another one who can stand out, but it will be up to her to get away from her on the final night, since she has to change her model chip to Miss, but she is divine. She is divine. 11. Ecuador, Mara Topic. A queen in every sense of the word, and she has proven to be more than ready for the contest, standing out for her personality, bearing, appearance, elegance and discipline. Ecuador chose a great menu and there are no doubts about that. She is still in competition, and in the contest we know she will leave everything to shine. Polish details, Mara, because you could be one of the finalists. 10. Curaçao, Kimberly de Beer. This doll from Curaçao steals everyone's attention so far, as she exudes incredible confidence and has been earning everyone's affection for her excellent presence and command of the word. Another that is growing by leaps and bounds, and because of her good oratory, she will fight. It's incredible that she is only 18 years old because she is such a bomb. 9. Great Britain, Christina Chalk. This girl goes with everything to the contest and does not stop standing out after winning the national title of her country. We have seen her very well groomed, giving everything and, most importantly, enjoying the opportunity to be the beauty queen of her land. This year, Great Britain is once again fighting for a place in that final, and the woman has one of the best stage presences and a wonderful ensemble. Watch out for this big woman. 8. New Zealand, Frankie Russell. This Barbie from Oceania has been quieting little by little, in silence and working quietly as she should, because she has shown herself to be fresh, beautiful, and showing with facts that she can be a rival to beat. Frankie can easily step into that top 5 if she continues as well as she is going. We love this woman. 7. Zimbabwe, Sakhile Dube. In our opinion, this Zimbabwean beauty can end up making us all fall in love with her and go all the way, since on the catwalk she is very good and knows what she is doing. A girl who projects too much on stage and who has made it clear that she is not going for a walk, but rather to fulfill a dream for her country. Sakhile comes like a hurricane. 6. Colombia, Daniela Toloza Rocha. This girl has made a great impact since her coronation as Miss Universe Colombia 2024 a few weeks ago, and her beauty does not go unnoticed. It is expected that her excellent preparation and her wonderful story will give her a direct pass to the top semi-finalists and perhaps continue climbing her position for the universal crown, since without a doubt the woman has shown total dedication and commitment to shine. Colombia is incredible this year. 5. Peru, Tatiana Calmell. This beauty pageant veteran is going all out to win the 2nd international title for her country. She has shown that she is clear in her goal of being the new queen. Her arduous journey through this world prepared her to wage war, and she is a strong opponent who knows how to play her cards in her favor. She comes to give her all, and be careful with Tatiana, because you should never underestimate a Peruvian. 4. Philippines, Chelsea Manalo. A warrior on the catwalk is the Filipino, and she is a girl who proves to be unstoppable on stage and leaving the path set to arrive with everything to the final night, where we are sure she will do incredible. She has been preparing for a few months, and that can work in her favor. She is a queen who will leave many impressed by her work. The Philippines is coming for revenge. 3rd finalist, Puerto Rico, Jennifer Colón. This Puerto Rican is everything the universe deserves. A woman who has stood out like no other thanks to her freshness, simplicity, and her angelic beauty that is so needed in these times. Today she is one of the favorites, although she has almost nothing to do with having been crowned, but that does not prevent her from being fixed in the top 5 on the final night. A queen ready to be crowned, and we would be happy. 1st finalist, Dominican Republic, Celinee Santos. Her desire to win is evident in everything she has been showing, and the fact is that the Caribbean has raised the level little by little. She has stood out like no other on her continent and has caused a sensation since she was named, so it is more than evident that she will fight for being the new queen of the Miss Universe organization and the 2nd Dominican to take home the crown. Miss Universe 2024, Venezuela, Ileana Márquez Pedroza. Divine is the Panther Márquez wherever you look at her. She looks correct, confident, and prepared to shine at the competition concentration. With so many experts behind her and all the previous experience, this Latina sells you everything she wears and knows that it makes an impact with its own light. The only thing she has to take care of is small details that could leave her a little lower in the final. But be careful with this Venezuelan woman, and she becomes the 8th queen of her country to win the contest. Remember that the Miss Universe will be in Mexico, and here all Latinas have the opportunity to shine.